In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly arrange multiple objects in Photoshop using the Align and Distribute tools. These built-in tools are incredibly useful when you want your design to look clean, balanced, and professionally organized without spending extra time dragging every object into place by hand. If you're working with icons, text, shapes, or images, this method can help speed up your workflow and make spacing much more consistent. To begin, select the first layer you want to align. Then, hold Shift and click the last layer so Photoshop selects all the layers in between. This is a quick way to grab a group of related objects at once, and it helps make sure everything you want to organize is included before you start aligning. Once all of your objects are selected, go up to the Layer menu, choose Align, and then pick an option such as Vertical Centers. This will line up all of the selected objects along the same vertical axis. In other words, Photoshop will automatically make sure they share the same center line vertically, which is especially helpful when you want a row of elements to appear neatly lined up without guessing or manually adjusting each one. After your layers are aligned, head back to the Layer menu, choose Distribute, and then select Horizontal Centers. This will evenly space the selected objects across the canvas. Instead of only making them line up, the Distribute tool also controls the gaps between them, helping create a more polished and intentional layout. This is great when you want objects to feel balanced and evenly placed, especially in interface designs, presentations, banners, or simple graphic compositions. You can also experiment with the other Align and Distribute options depending on the kind of layout you want to create. For example, different settings can help you align items to the left, right, top, or bottom, or distribute them vertically instead of horizontally. The best option depends on the arrangement you're going for, so it's worth trying a few combinations to see what works best for your design. These tools are such a simple but powerful way to improve accuracy and save time in Photoshop. Rather than moving each object manually and hoping the spacing looks right, you can let Photoshop handle the precision for you. And that's it. Great job following along. Using the Align and Distribute tools is an easy way to work faster and make your Photoshop projects look more polished, organized, and professional.